How to add January dump sticker on Instagram. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To add the January dump sticker on Instagram, launch your application in your mobile device. At the bottom, you will see the search bar. Tap on it. Here in the search bar, you need to search for moonsoul.design. Now in here, you will find your January dump templates. If you see any of the template in your friends and if you find the button add yours, you can add from theirs as well. Basically, just click on add yours button. Then you need to select on the media that you wish to share as a January dump in your Instagram story. Now once you have rest assured of it, you can actually manage it accordingly if you wish for. Now once you are happy with the layout, you can tap on the tick mark button. Then just click on your story. Once you do so, now if you head back and check your story, you will see that your January dump has been posted successfully as an Instagram story. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try. Thank you so much for tuning in.